Let's see what the PlayStation Portal has to offer. I'm very, very excited to check out this new device here. And let's see what's inside. I'm very keen to see what's inside of the box and what it feels like to actually have the Portal in my hands. So, let's slide it all out and see what it comes with. Oh, I love that. So we've got the PlayStation logo there. I don't believe there's anything else inside of that box. Nope, that is an empty box for sure. So we've got this really clean looking PlayStation box. We've got their little icons here, and that's like a little tab that kind of pulls out. But you also have this little corner here, and that's how you reveal what's inside of the box. So it looks like we've got a cable in here. I'd imagine we'd have some form of charging cable or something to connect it up. So we got a USB-C to a USB-C. There we go, so that's always nice to have. And then here is, by the looks of it, the PlayStation Portal. Oh, it's a little longer than I thought it would be. Oh wow, okay. Definitely a lot longer than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so elegant. I love that. Let's just move this out of the way so we've got some space. Let me just see if there's anything else in this box here. Okay, so we got a little instructional manual here. We got another box that had the cable and then some other stuff in there. So that's pretty much what comes in the box there. And I brought up my DualSense controller just to show you the similarities here, because they've pretty much mimicked the DualSense controller. It pretty much is a DualSense controller with a huge display here. So in terms of like the ergonomics and how it feels in the hands, definitely feels just like a DualSense controller. And hopefully this is going to be something that's going to be great for, you know, extended gaming sessions. I can see there's the PlayStation button there. We've got the D-pad, we've got the two thumbsticks. There's the mic button there that you can mute. The usual buttons here, and then the two kind of function buttons. As we turn it like this, you can see we've got Sony. We've got a volume rocker here for the volume up and down. We've got the power button, and then I believe that's the sync button there. These would be the speakers, I would imagine. The upward firing speakers. So yeah, I can see that it definitely shares a lot of similarities in terms of just the button layout and the feel of the DualSense controller with the PlayStation Portal. So they've clearly gone with that same kind of design there. Really do love the size of it. I didn't actually know that it was going to be this large. It actually feels really nice in the hand, but the display itself is huge. So let's reveal that display. Oh, look at that. Let's try to power it on. I don't know if it comes with charge on it. Press and hold that power button and see. Maybe not. Looks like I'm going to have to charge it to be able to power it on. Oh no, there we go. So we get the PlayStation logo. And that is a gorgeous display. It's huge. Like I said, that's the first thing that kind of stands out. Like I framed the camera like this, and you can see that, you know, it's just fitting in the frame here. It's quite a large display, but that's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want a small display that was kind of awkward to use. So I'm glad that they've gone with the larger display there. I'm really glad that it is the DualSense controller, that it feels exactly like the DualSense controller. You can kind of see here, it's just like an extended backing of the DualSense. You can see that it's like this part here has just been extended out, and then it's housing a huge display there. So it sounds like it's powered on. And there we go. That is the PlayStation Portal unboxing. Very, very cool stuff there from PlayStation.